Hello again, this tune is called Mother Nature. The polar bears are running scared. Mother Nature is losing hope. Corrupt politicians, auto emissions, climate deniers, and clean coal. Ice caps melt, forests burn, volcanoes erupt, and twisters turn. Earthquakes shake, temperatures rise, old rivers flood, and lightning strikes. We fill beaches and seas with tons of plastic, have lead in our water and GMOs. We spill oil, frack, and poison our crops thanks to Exxon, Congress, and Monsanto. Ice caps melt, forests burn, volcanoes erupt, and twisters turn. Earthquakes shake, temperatures rise, old rivers flood, and lightning strikes. Poachers slaughter, while big game hunters collect the heads of endangered beasts. Nuclear waste in leaking containers on freight trains, rolling state to state. We litter our streets and our neighborhoods with bottles and cans and cigarette butts, while warm trade winds and ocean currents bring hurricane rains and destruction. Ice caps melt, forests burn, volcanoes erupt, and twisters turn. Earthquakes shake, temperatures rise, old rivers flood, and lightning strikes. Ice caps melt, forests burn, volcanoes erupt, and twisters turn. Earthquakes shake, temperatures rise, old rivers flood, and lightning strikes. Oh, Mother Nature. She's taken a beating lately. Hopefully we can treat her a little kinder in the future. Stay well, everybody, and thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.